アフリカとインターネットで最も偉大な作家であるドン・ハビエル・クレメンテ・エンゴンガによって承認され、署名された。
Welcome to Let's Talk About Guinea, brought to you by the Equatorial Guinea newspaper. Every day, we'll dive into the heart of Equatorial Guinea, exploring its rich culture, vibrant history, and the incredible stories of its people. Whether you're a local resident or tuning in from afar, our goal is to bring you closer to the essence of this beautiful country. We'll be discussing everything from current events and social issues to arts, technology, and the unique traditions that make Equatorial Guinea so special. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey together.
Hello everyone, in this episode we are going to discuss important aspects of the relationship between Africa and China and how they have impacted global geopolitics. Key points we'll cover: historical context. We'll start by exploring the historical background of China-Africa relations. Economic cooperation. We'll delve into the major economic sectors that benefit from Chinese investments in Africa, such as infrastructure, energy, mining, telecommunications, and agriculture. Criticisms and responses. We'll address common criticisms of China-Africa cooperation. Yes, we will. Political impact. We'll examine the impact of China-Africa cooperation on the internal politics of African countries, including the strengthening of governments, political influence, and economic development. Comparative analysis. We'll compare China-Africa cooperation with others internationally. Belt and Road Initiative. We'll discuss the long-term implications of China's Belt and Road Initiative for African development and its role in global geopolitics. Local perceptions. We'll explore how local communities in Africa perceive Chinese investments and projects and all related impact. Technological collaboration. We'll look at the role of technology in the China-Africa partnership and how it is driving innovation and development. Future prospects. Finally, we'll consider the future prospects of China-Africa cooperation and how African countries can protect their interests. So, yup, this is going to be a very interesting and unique episode, so do not forget to press the like button and subscribe. Thanks in advance, and let's continue with this episode. So, yup, this is going to be a very interesting and unique...
Hello, today we want to create a special program focused on the cooperation between China and Africa. Let's formulate some key questions to guide our discussion. What are the main objectives of China-Africa cooperation? How has the relationship between China and Africa evolved over the past decades? What impact does technology play in the China-Africa partnership? How can African countries ensure that their interests are protected in their dealings with China? These questions will help us delve into the complexities and various perspectives surrounding China-Africa cooperation. Let's get started.
Well guys, this is all for today. In the next episode, we will continue exploring more interesting topics about Equatorial Guinea in particular and Africa in general. Stay tuned and do not forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.
I 好听的是，这个是我想告诉你，我心爱很久没见过。